Hello everyone, welcome to another video that shows you how you can create a complete, fully responsible multi-page e-commerce website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript from scratch. In the previous three videos, we have just created the home page, the product page as well as the blog page of this e-commerce website. If you didn't see those videos, I put the video links inside this video description. So go ahead and watch those videos first before directly jump right into this video. With that being said, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create a product details page right here. So when I click over here, this redirects you to the product details page right here. Here we have the product details page. Yup, you heard? Alright, so when I click this small image displayed over here. You can select the number of product right here. You can select the size, and also here we have related products. So to create this, as always, over here inside the same folder, we are going to create another HTML document right here. Let's say product details.html. So copy this and then come over here and paste right here. Alright, so now remove this JavaScript code. It's not necessary, right? Alright, and remove this sweeper bundle minified JS. It's not also necessary. Alright, over here what we are going to do is we are going to remove unnecessary sections from here. Remove this, it's not necessary. Remove this again, remove this again, remove this again, and also remove this banner section. Now here we have newsletter section and here we have footer section. So over here we have the product page. So from this product page, when I click this product, it should redirect you to the product details page. So to do this, come over here, product.html right here, and over here we have the first product right here. So over here, let me add a JavaScript code right here on click. So on click, when I click it, this product, then window dot location, then dot href, then this link should redirect you to the product details page. So here we have product detail.html. So when I click this product, the first product, it redirects you to the product detail.html. Alright, here we have the product page. So when I click this product, it redirects you to the product detail.html page. Alright, now to create this, first what we are going to do is we are going to create a section element having a class name. Let me say product detail underscore section. You can assign any class name as you want, right? It's up to you. And then over here inside this, we are going to create a div element having a class name. Let me say single product container. Inside this single product container, we are going to create a div element having class name product image box. This is for the image right here, and inside this image box, product image box, we are going to create the left column, which is the product, right, which is the image, right. Over here we have the large image having an ID value, let me say large image, and again for small image we are going to create a div element having class name, let me say small image container. Inside this we are going to create small image, a div element having class name small image box. Inside this, here we have the first image which we are going to we need to display in the small image section, right. After that, what we are going to do is copy this and paste 3 more times. Alright, now the only thing expected from you and me is to change the image name right here. You see? Alright. As you can see here, this has the same image, right? The same class name, small image. Alright, when I save and refresh, here we have, right? Alright. Now, outside of this, we are going to create the right column. So, to do this, we are going to create a div element having class name, let me say product detail. Inside this, we have an h3 element, an h2 element, and again we have over here a paragraph element. First we have a product price, right? Again, before the paragraph we need to have a select option. Remove this, is not necessary. And we have option, we have different options, right? We can filter the product by its size, by its price, and many more. But from here we can select the product by its size. Now after that we are going to create an input element right here. Type the value for the type attribute over here is number, and then we need to have a call to action button right here, buy now button, and then down here we are going to have product details. For this we have an h3 element and a paragraph element. Alright, I'm not going to waste your time right here. I'm just going to add it offline, right? So here we have. When I save and refresh the web page, here we have, right? Cool. Now this is the HTML part. So now let me style this. To style this, we need to use first, let me change the background color. So to change the background color, we are going to target this class selector right here, and then here we have pink background color. After that, using, let me call, alright. After that, using this single product container, in this case it's row, right? So we have display flex, align item, flex start, justify content, space evenly, gap 2.5 rim. So when I save, here is it, right? After that, now let me style this image using this product image underscore box. So for this, we search by percent flex direction column. So here we have. After that, now we are going to target this img element, right? So object fit cover with 75% hit auto cursor pointer. Here is it. Yup. After that, now let me style this small image. So to do this, we need to have this class selector right here, small image underscore container. For this, display flex, align item center, justify content, space between, gap, one rim. Here is it, right? Now, using this class selector, small image underscore box, let me add some property value pair, cursor pointer, border radius 20 pixel, and margin top 12 pixel, and we have a box shadow. So here we have. After that, now let me target this img. Let me target the small image right here. For this, with 100% object fit cover. After that, save and refresh. Here we have. Now, let me target this product details page. So here we have the product details. So to style this, to style the right column, we have this class selector, product detail, and we have this property value pair. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have. Oh yeah, that's cool. After that, now let me add some padding from the top. So padding top, let me say 60 pixel. Alright. Here we have, right? That's cool. Now let me target this H3 and H2 elements right here. So for this H3, here we have font size and line height. Also here we have. For H2, here we have font size, line height, 2.5 rim, color, main color. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have. Now let me style this product price right here using this class selector, product price. After that, font size 1.5 rim, color we have meridian 20 pixel from top and bottom and auto from left and right. Here we have. Oh yeah. Now let me style this in different ways. So to do this, we need to have this span. So here we have the property value pair. Alright, here we have a nice product price, having discount price right here, which is underlined. So now let me target this select option. So for this select display block margin bottom we have. So here is it for the select option. Now here we have background, and here we have border and padding. Also here we have 2 pixel and 3 pixel. So when I save and refresh, here is it. So you can select the product size. After that, now let me style the input right here. So using this element selector input, let me add some property value pair with 5 frame, padding 10 pixel and font size 60 pixel, margin bottom 50 pixel. So here we have. Alright guys. So now what we are going to do is, when I click a small product image, it should display over the large container, right? So when I click over here, this image should be displayed right here. So to do this, we are going to use JavaScript, right? We need to add some function. So inside this script, let me create a variable right here, let big image. Then now we are going to access the first big image. So to do this, document dot query selector. So now we are going to access this big image by its ID value, right? This is the first choice. So now we are going to access this by side value. And also for small image, let me create a variable, let small image, then document dot query selector all. In this case, we have more than one small image having the same class name, small image, right? That's why we use this query selector all, right? Oh yeah. Now we are going to create over here. When I click this image, it should display over the large area. So to do this, we are going to use this small image, and then we have the index value right here, 0 for the first image, index value 0. After that, what we are going to do is dot on click. Then when I click this small image, it should display over the large area field, right? So to do this, on click equals function, then we are going to access the source. The value for the source attribute for big image should be changed by the value for the source attribute of this small image, right? Here we have. Alright, so when I click refresh again, when I click this, it display over here. Alright, so what we are going to do is, we are going to copy this 3 more times, since we have 4 small images. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to change the index value right here. Simply change the index value. Here we have. So refresh again. Now when I click over here, you see it displays over here. Alright, now we have just finished this product details page right here. Alright guys, congratulations, we have just created the product details page. If you have any question concerning here, let me know in the comment section below. If you want the source code, I put the source code link inside this video description. So go ahead and download it, and then you can use for your portfolio. If this content is valuable, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon to be notified while I come out a daily training video just like this one. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one, since more incredible content is on the way.